Welcome to Perfect Beauty Crafts. In this video, I'll teach you how to make this gorgeous ruffled headband. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please do that now. Okay, let's learn. Here are the materials you'll need for the project. Take down the measurement of your head circumference. Here I have 21 inches. Next, subtract 5 or 6 from the measurement. This gives me 16 inches. After that, you add 0.5 inches to the measurement, which gives us 16.5 inches. Alright, so the next thing you do is to take your tape measure, pull the tape and the elastic band to the desired length, and cut the elastic band. Next, bring the two ends of the elastic bands together and sew both ends. Remember the 0.5 inches that we considered the other time is just to make room for the two edges that we are sewing together. I hope you got that. My elastic band is ready. Another important thing you need to do is to identify the midpoints of your elastic band. Luckily, we've got the first midpoint where we joined. So we are going to just trace out the second midpoint, just like I'm doing, and just attach something. You can put a pin there, a safety pin, or a stitch marker, or just like I'm doing here. I hear someone ask why. Well, I'll let you know shortly. Round 1. I use 4mm hook for this one. So make a slip knot and bring up your elastic band. Bring that middle points of your elastic band and work a single crochet around the band just to secure it. Yes, work a single crochet. So this doesn't count as your first single crochet, please. So afterward, you're going to make a single crochet across to the other midpoints of your elastic band. Now, I want you to count the number of single crochets at this point. Number of single crochet from this point to the other midpoints of the elastic band. Identify the number and take it down. It's very important. All right, so I'll see you at the other midpoints of the elastic band. Do you want me to do more videos like this? Then encourage me by subscribing, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Please feel free to ask your questions on the comment section. I'll try my best to address them. Yeah, I've gotten to the midpoint of my work and I made a total of 68 single crochet to this point. So what you do next is to make another 68 single crochet to the end of the elastic band. Yes, to that beginning part of your work. Alright, so the reason behind this is so that my ruffles will be evenly spread across the band. You won't like a situation whereby some parts will be full and some parts will be scanty. No. I've gotten to the end of the round. Yes, I made 69 single crochet from the second half of the band to this point. That gives us 137 single crochet in this round. Next, you join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet in the round. Yeah. To start off the round 2, we are going to change our hook from this small hook to a bigger hook. I'm using 6mm hook for the subsequent rounds. Yes, up until I finish this project, I'll be using this hook. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. So it counts as our first double crochet. So in that same space, we're going to make 2 double crochet stitches in that same stitch where our chain 3 is. Yeah, so that's the second. In the next stitch following, we'll make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2 and 3. So it's pretty simple. Just work 3 double crochet stitches into all the stitches from the previous round, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. And here we go. All right, the next thing is to join the round with a slip stitch. So we are going to identify our chain 3 and go right to the 3rd chain on top there. Just locate the back loop and slip stitch in there. Yeah. Round 3. Chain 3. Remember, chain 3 counts as a DC. In that same space, make 2 double crochet. So we'll move to the next stitch and make 3 double crochet stitches in that next stitch. So we'll be moving to all the stitches from the previous round, and we'll be making 3 double crochet stitches in each stitch. I'll meet you at the end of the round. Yeah, completed. Alright, so the next thing is to join with a slip stitch at the top of the beginning chain 3. Yeah. To introduce a new color, all you need to do is to chain 1 and cut the working yarn and fasten off. Then you bring up your new yarn, slip knots, and just insert the hook into any stitch from the previous round. Pull up the loop and just pull through and chain 1. Alright, so chain 1 again, and in that same space make your first single crochet stitch. So you work a single crochet in the next stitch, work a single crochet in all the stitches around. Once the round is complete, you slip stitch into the first single crochet in the round and you chain 1 and fasten off your work. Alright, I choose to continue round 4 with the main color, so you just chain 1 and in that same space you make your first single crochet, and in the next stitch make a single crochet, in the next stitch make a single crochet. So you're gonna make a single crochet in all the stitches around. I'll meet you at the end of the round. Finally, alright, so we're gonna slip stitch in the first single crochet in the round. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch as well. Yeah, right. And I like to do this. So I insert my hook from the back, then pull up the loop on the hook and just pull through. Then chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off. Now you sew in the ends of your yarn with a tiny hook or a yarn needle. This will make your work look very neat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know on the comment section, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and above all, subscribe to my channel. Encourage me, please. You may also want to check out my video on how to wash and maintain your crochet items. See you next time. Bye.